Good morning everyone and happy Vlogmas day 6. I'm just putting on a bit of makeup. I feel like I've looked like a toe for the last few days, so I just felt like a bit of makeup would spruce me up a bit. So I've just applied the Charlotte Tilbury, the Hollywood Flawless filter on my face. It looks very glowy. I broke off one of my nails this morning when I was changing the bed. When I was pulling it, I snapped my finger. But I'm getting my nails done on Tuesday. It's Sunday today, so 2 more days and I'll have a fresh set, and I really can't wait to get like a Christmassy set of nails. I'm very excited for them. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna go to the park. Already I curled my hair and it is crazy. I'm waiting for it to kind of like drop. That's a terrible cough. Oh my god. Noah's sitting on my breastfeeding pillow just to watch me get ready. Yes, I have to wait for all these curls to drop because they are kind of like crazy. They will drop over the day. I'm hoping in the next like hour they might drop. Someone was asking about me curling my hair. I'll show you my curling iron. So this is the one I use. It's the B Alami one and it's gold and black. I think it's from an Irish brand, and I use the skinny barrel. When I curl my hair, it lasts whatever length of time, like until I wash it again, and I might have to put like 1 or 2 more curls in it, but it lasts pretty well actually. So I just use heat protectant and then a hairspray once I have it done, and when I sleep in it and stuff, the curls just kind of like flatten out. You can pop a few more curls in like the next few days, but like I said, they kind of hold until I wash my hair again. I'm gonna wear these jeans from Pretty Little Thing. They're just the mom jeans, and I'm gonna wear this little cream like beigey tank top. I'm going to also be wearing a jumper. These socks, they don't match at all, and then this jacket from Zara as well. I showed this a few times. It's so warm and it's water repellent. It's very cold outside, but it is sunny. I shouldn't be too cold with a jumper on underneath this as well, so I should be warm. And then I'm just going to wear my Air Force Ones. All dressed. I think that I will definitely need a jumper on underneath this because I thought that maybe this jacket would be warm enough. It is really warm, but I just feel like I'm gonna definitely need a little bit more of a layer, like a chunky jumper, because it is very cold today. So that's what I'm wearing. So we're en route to the park now. It's really sunny out, but absolutely bitter cold. I think it's like 6 degrees today, and it just is like a really cold wind. It's not even like it's 6 degrees. Anyway, it's just getting cold. I really like that kind of weather, like the cold dry weather. I think we're just gonna go for a little walk around the park, get some fresh air and see the deer, and then I want something nice to eat afterwards because I'm starving now. I don't know what I want to eat. And when you're hungry you just don't know what you want to eat.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
The last time we were here for like a proper walk through the park and not just driving through it going into town, my birthday, it was New Year's Day, we did a nice little walk in here. Do you remember? I was pregnant at the time, so it was so long ago. Noah has never been to the park, and Paddy's house is super close to the park, and I don't know why we never really come like with the dogs or anything. It's a lovely walk. We just never, I don't know, we just go to like the park that's right beside your house. It's the Phoenix Park, by the way, if you are not an Irish viewer, and it's like the biggest park in Europe.
I think it's the biggest park in Europe.
It is the biggest park in Europe, pretty huge, and there's so much to do in it. There's like loads of little nooks and crannies, and it's just like, I don't know, like everybody comes here. Like I've always come here at Christmas time and when I was a kid, and obviously you live very close to it, so you would be here a lot more than I would have been because I live a little bit further away from it. but it's just a lovely nice natural park, and there's a zoo in it as well. And actually that's the last time we were in the park properly, like was at the zoo, so Noah has kind of been here. And there's just like loads of like little walks. You can bring your bike, you can bring your dog, you can bring your family, you can have picnics in the summer. It's just a lovely nice natural park, and there is obviously a driveway through it, but then there's like it's kind of like further away. It's like the main drive-in. I don't know why I'm explaining the park. I think you guys get the drift of a park. But anyway, we're going for a nice little walk as a family today, and Paddy's family, his nan and his mum and dad and his twin and his partner are all coming for a little walk, so it's going to be nice, just a little family day out. And I've decided that I want a Subway. Don't know how I'm going to get a Subway because the nearest Subway is in Blanche or Lucan.
I think we can get it delivered.
Okay, well if I can get it delivered I will. Noah's snoring in the back seat of the car. Betcha he'll wake up when we're on the way home. He's out for the count. He looks so cozy and toasty warm. He has like about 10 blankets on him. Somebody forgot their hat.
Really? Okay.
That is gorgeous, the sun. Unreal.
Really?
Come on, Millie. Come on. Yeah, Millie.
Oh, it's the American embassy.
Is it? There's the flag.
Yeah,
There's the flag.
the American flag. It's nice, isn't it?
My little bear is still asleep. And we're nearly finished going around the park. So nice. There's big puddles up there. The birds are having a bath in it. Hey TJ. Hello.
What?
Are you eating grass? Oh, Santa's reindeer. Oh. All on the move. The little noises they're making, they're so cute. No. I got a little photograph of him in his buggy and them in the background. But yeah, he's literally missed everything. They're so cute. Hello. Just finished in the park. We spent like nearly 2 hours here, and Noah has finally woken up when we got into the car, which is great. So we missed everything. Oh well, plenty of time to bring him to see the reindeer again. So we got to see the deer, got to see a deer fight. We met up with Paddy's brother, and they brought their dog. She is a Doberman. That's exactly what she is. She's a Doberman, and she's only 14 weeks old, so she's getting like really tall, and like her paws are huge. She's after getting so big from the last time we saw her. Like she's just gotten so big. Paddy was pushing his nan around into puddles, and
You chose the potters.
you did choose the path, and into potholes and over tree stumps. And then she, like at one point she like screamed, and I was like, oh my gosh, she's falling out of the wheelchair, but she didn't. See how you brought her on a crazy ride. So we've had a lovely day in the park, and now I'm ordering my Subway, and we're gonna chill out in the heat at home because it is so cold. Like my hands are numb, and I've been wearing gloves. Like that is crazy. I think I need like 2 pairs of gloves on, or just like more thick type of gloves. They're not obviously thick enough. So I'll talk to you guys when we're home. Trying to find a Christmas movie to watch. I'd actually love to watch Four Christmases, but I don't think it's on this. It's really funny. I just put in like Christmas, see if there's anything. Love Actually, I love that movie, but I usually watch that with my sister, my mum and my dad and Paddy, so I'll wait. Oh, Jack Frost. Yeah, I think I might watch that one. Noah's down there in his jumperoo, jumping away. Oh, and my Subway arrived in its Subway Christmas packaging. Look at Noah's new socks. They're so cute. They're so cute, aren't they, Noah? We love them. They're Santy on your socks. I love I'm lying on the bed finishing off my vlog. Noah's in his cot, so I said I'd come up here where it's quiet and just do a bit of work, try and get these vlogs or today's vlog up and out. Sorry for yawning. That's rude. Today's vlog exporting right now, so it's done and dusted, and I'm going to start on today's vlog right now because while Noah's sleeping, try and get as much done as possible. I don't think I've any major updates since I was last talking to you. I started watching Hard Love, I think it's called. Love Hard. One of you guys recommended it. It's a movie on Netflix, so I just started it and I was kind of getting into it, and then I was like, look, I'll finish off work, put Noah down for the night, which doesn't always work. Like sometimes he'll go down for the night, sometimes he'll be awake in like an hour, so we'll see how we get on. But anyway, he's asleep at the moment, so I'm starting to get into my Christmas shopping. I'm so slow. I'm really bad at like trying to figure out what everybody wants, and I was talking about that yesterday. Like everyone's like, oh, I don't want anything, I don't want anything. So I'm trying to figure out what everybody wants and what to get everybody. I'm just so looking forward to Christmas this year. Like I cannot wait for it, especially being Noah's first Christmas. I just have so many lovely plans. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to this vlog and I'll chat to you later. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Noah's in the bed here beside us, but not for long. We watched
Love Hard.
Love Hard. Yeah, it was actually really, really good. If you want like a good rom-com, I really enjoyed it. I thought it was nice, like Christmassy movie. It was very predictable though, wasn't it? Well, I found it predictable. I hope you guys had a great day today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And Paddy's getting his hair done in the morning. Well, hair done, your hair cut. Anyway guys, gonna love you and leave you, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Mwah, bye.